It's Teacher Paige. It's time for Oh My Stars! Let's go! Another way that you can use your stars, besides just hanging them on the whiteboard, is to put them on your headphones. Some people use Velcro, and they have Velcro attached to the top of their headphones, but I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of stars, and I'm not about to buy hundreds of dollars of Velcro, so I have sticky tack. Sticky tack. Did you ever pull this off your teacher's wall on the back of the posters? It's so fun. So they can be magnetic and they can stick to my headphones. So throughout the lesson, when my student earns a star, I can just use the sticky tack to add it to my headphones. So by the end of the lesson, they've earned all 5 stars. They think that this is hilarious. And no, they don't always stay on the whole time, but when they fall off, they think that's really funny too. If you have any questions about how to use stars in your classroom, be sure to drop a comment below so I can help you out. Thanks for dropping in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when I post new videos. Happy teaching!